Good morning, student. Today in this video we are going to learn about the table in the HTML. And on previous video we have learned about the form, how to display the form in the HTML. Now today we are going to learn about the table. Okay, same the way our folder HTML1 is our folder. Open it, and in front page of HTML we are going to display one table. Okay, now so we have front page table. Here it is, friends. Okay, now in friends we are going to display one table. Okay, now while displaying the table, we don't need your form, we need here only table. So this table is also content, is one of the content, and it is present in the body part. Yes, so let's come inside the body part, and now I am going to add the tag called table. Table is itself a tag. Okay, now while learning about table you have to know table has also closing tag because it is pairing tag. Table, same the way inside table we need parts of the table, that is one is table head and table body part. And table head, that before writing table head we have to start the tr, table row. Tr, we have tr, and tr start, and tr also have closing tag, tr close, and inside the tr we have to write the ts, table head. Table head and also table head also close, same the way table head also close. So now our head part, the work of head part finished. Now let's come towards the next tr, and in next tr there is td part. Yes or no? Now in first td, td, or this second row, this is the second row, and we have to put here table data in the second row. So this one is our this one is the second row, and in second row we have one td, and in one td we are going to add first of all name of one student. Okay, you are in class 6, so I am thinking your friend's name, and I am writing here. Okay, first one is I forget the name of the student as well. Nishant. Okay, Nishant, and Nishant. After that I am going to close this Nishant td first one, and after that we have another address. So again we are starting td and address. I am writing here Italy. Okay, no problem, anywhere you sit, only this is suppose, and then td again, and phone number or any email address, anything you can add here. Okay, I am adding here email address, nisant@12@gmail.com. okay, gmail.com. This is Nishant contact. Okay, and then td close, we are going to close the td. Same the way our second row also finished, work of second row finished. Now again we are going to start another row, and again we are closing this one row, and inside this row again we need the table data of another friend. So now name of another friend such as Yuma. Okay, and I'm closing this one td here, and same the way I'm adding here address, another one also Viratnagar. I'm adding here td also closing. Similarly next I'm adding here contact, any contact number we have to use here. Okay, then closing this one. Okay, same the way this row also finished. We need another row, and tr start again, same the way tr has closing tag, and inside tr we have to use td, and inside td I am going to use Manisha. Okay, then td close, and td again start td and Biratnagar. Okay, then td close, send the way again td, and I am giving her any address Manisha. Okay, Manisha at the rate gmail.com. okay, this is fine. Okay, td close. Now this 3 I have added the 3 row in table data, only this much for this table. Okay, now I am going to sorry okay, table data also finished. Now let's save the table. And open your browser, and you will see here is your my first web page. Yes or no? This is your website. Now refresh this one, and now you have add in contact or your friends in friends. Okay, now click on friends. Now see here, nothing is displayed. Why not displayed? Because we have not saved there. Yes or no? We have not saved this one. Okay, now save this one, and now do reload. What is going on? Oh, we have here one problem. We have made the misspelling wrong. Friends. 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 Now it is correct. So it is not displaying. Now to save. Now open your browser, and now refresh once time, and now open friends. Look here, your table is displayed, but this table is not looking nice. Okay, now add some attributes for this table also. So go to your friends page. Now in the table you have to add some attributes. Okay, I'm using inline attributes for table. Also you can use the internal attributes as well. inline. For table I'm using border. Border means the line given, border. Border equals to border means I'm giving border, okay, 5, border 5 giving, and background color bg color equals to I'm giving bg color, I'm giving, okay, blue, yes. And width, width as width for table also I'm going to give, width means I'm going to give 50%. Okay, now to save this one and reload your browser once time. Now see here, your table looks like this. Wow, how beautiful table. Also you can keep the height of your table as well. Okay, border 5 pixel I have given, so this much fat border it is displaying. And your table, here is your table. Now you are going to give width already given, then height, HEIGST height also I'm going to give height, I'm going to give 500, okay, pixel. To save and reload, and see here the height of the table I have given this like, and this table is displayed like this. Yes, looking nice. As you like, you will try and try to display your table. Okay, this is one table, and in that form also I am going to use that form I'm going to display by using the table as well. Now let's open your form. Where is that form? Is contact page. Here in form you have directly used the table form, but in form also I am going to use a table inside the form. So while using the table inside the form, I am going to modify this one form by using the table. So in form I'm going to use the table. Inside the form I'm going to use table, and for table it has closing tag as well. We will add this one at last. My laptop is disturbing me. Okay, no problem. Anyway, we will continue. Table, inside table we are going to add tr. Same the way we are going to add tr, and in tr we are going to add td. Yes or no? Td. And inside td we are writing your first name, that is s1, and this one we don't need break, we have to close this one break, and close this one td, because we need 2 td. So here close this one td. Same the way close this one, and also again start another td where you have your input type, and same the way this one also you have to remove and add td close at last, and one row finished, so tr also close. This is for one row, first row. And same the way for second row, again we are going to start tr. Same the way inside the tr we have td tag also open, and inside td we have this one s1 tag. For br, br should be close, remove, yes, and then td close. And after td we have another also, again we have to start another td start, that is another td, and inside another td we have this one, and this one break will be removed and td will be closed. Yes, this one also finished, so tr close. Now second row also finished. Now same the way you have email also, and password also, and select the gender. Same the way start tr again, and close tr, closing tr. I will place at last this one, and td here, td start, and close this one td also. Here td should be closed, and this one should be delete, and another td start, so no, another td start, and inside this one td again there is input type, and close this one td, and remove this one. And same the way here also, okay, password, for password also same the way, another tr start, tr close. First of all, this tr should be placed here, should be placed where, below of td, tr paste here, and again tr start, and tr inside tr td having, and inside td this one s1 having, and td also having closed, and this one will be removed, and td again, and inside td again td close, again td should be closed, and tr should also be closed. Yes or no? Tr should also be closed. Similarly for this one mail, and for this one again next tr start, that means here we are going to start next tr start, and td also start. And inside this td we have this one first sender, and this one should be closed, td should be closed, and next td again is offset. Here is something wrong, we have to close this one td here, and again next time again your next td start, next td start, td started, and td will be closed after this female, because this all should be in single td, this td closed, and tr also should be closed, tr is also closed. Now next tr there should be the bottom tr, and in this tr bottom we need td, we need td, so td for bottom first, and td should be closed here, yes, and again next td, yes, td start, and again td will be closed here, and at last tr also will be closed, and at last table also should be closed. So really table should be closed. Now let's see, is anything wrong over there or not. Table td also close, and td start, td close, tr close. first year close, tr start td start td start close, tr start td also having closing tag here, and td also have closed tag, tr close, so tr start td here is td, and this one td close, another td start, and this td close, tr start, tr close, tr start td. Yes, one td close, here is td close, and td start, and td start, and td is close at last. Yes, last, and td close, tr also close, tr start, td close, td start, td close, tr is close, table close, form close, fine. This is okay. Now table, if you want to add any attributes, okay, first of all let's save it, do save and reload this one, and go to back, and in contact, yeah, look here, the form design, this form look like this. I have only selected the some part of the screen, so it will not clearly visible to you, I think, but also don't worry, it is correct. Here in place of name there is only ist. First I have written it is also displayed, but now I have only just selected this part of the screen only, so it is not being displayed. See here, I am putting my mouse pointer on this side also. Okay, no problem, this is correct. Due to the screen size it is looking like this. And same the way I am going to add here some more, that is phone number also. So to add phone number, again I am going to going towards my where is, here it is, yes, index not contact, yes, contact, contact means last name, yes, last name, after email, after password, gender, yes, after password I am going to add td or tr for phone number. Okay, so td I am going to add here, and inside td I am going to add phone here, so any phone, okay, phone, and I am going to close td, same the way td close having, and then after that tr also, not tr, inside td, wait, yeah, fine, okay. This td close, and next td we have to start, and next td we have to give here, you know, while dialing the phone number you are asked country code, or you will see the country code in phone number, so we are going to add that country code also inside the phone number. So first of all, then I am using the select, because country code while doing contact in the Nepal you have country code. If you are going to do contact outside of the Nepal, then again you need another country code or not. So I am going to select the country code by using the select tag. Inside the select tag I am closing the select tag as well, lect select tag, and inside select tag I am writing the options, options, option, okay, option. In options also having closing tag, option, option. Okay, then inside option I am giving the country code, and that country code, okay, options should be like this, 977. Same the way I am copying this one option 3 or 4 times. Okay, control C doing, and pasting this one, control B, control V, control V. Okay, and here also one, control V, no problem. Okay, these are some country code, and I'm adding changing this one all port, and 80 87, okay, no problem, and 97. Okay, these are some of the country code I have add here. And select, so close this tag, close, and inside after select we have to use the input also. Yes, input type typ for phone number, type equals to phone, so no phone, and then name equals to at any phone or anything. We have to any phone, okay, no problem. Now close this one, and TD will be also closed or not. Yes, TD will be closed and TR also closed. Same the way. Now save this one and open your browser. Now see here, phone number and country code is displaying like this, and here is one bullet like symbol is given, and while you will click this one, here is here this types of option will be provided to you, and you will choose one of them, and you have to write here country code, and that is in number, and what I have written here, phone or whatever. Yes, in this way you have to add here. And phone, this is in small size because we have not add here h1 tag, so add here h1 tag for phone also, and h1 tag for phone, and close h1 tag. Same the way it is also being closed. Yes, and now to save in your phone, here I have to give number, okay, BEL number, okay. This also save, and go back to your browser and reload this one. Now see here, phone displayed, and now if you type here any letter, then it will not be typed because we have input your input type as number only, then only it will take number, not any letter. Yes or no? See here, when I'm typing any letter, then it is not typing, but same the way when I'm typing this number, it is typing or not, because we have input here number, so it is typing, okay. And here is also option given to increase or decrease the number. For number you have to increase or decrease as well, and I'm going to do cancel, and this is our way to display the table. Okay, in next video again I will show something more, and thank you for today.